Well, today's the day. Dyno time. So we're here in Mustang Magic Deer Park. We're gonna throw it on the dyno rollers and just make sure she's got a safe tune. I'm not going for power numbers, I'm going for safety. This car was dyno tuned when my buddy Ralph owned it several years ago right here at Magic. And I think it made 461 to the tire, so I'm thinking it'll probably stay pretty much the same because all I've done is change the cold air. But let's get inside, take a look. So your LJ put in a seat of triax. Take out the Pro 5.0 that was in there. Okay, I got the seat of triax all in. LJ did an amazing job. And JLT is all set up. Time to hit the dyno. So I'm back here now in the garage and I'm really pleased with the power that the car made. And as you saw from that video, it made I think just about 473 rear wheel horsepower and almost 475 rear wheel torque, which is solid numbers, and they're actually better than the ones that the dyno sheet that I had from the car from a couple of years ago. Best of all, I know it's safe, and the car's all sorted out for the 2022 season. I'll tell you, for me, whenever I see my car on a dyno, you get a little bit of nervous as the revs are kind of climbing, but it's still kind of cool to hear that eat and whine. Got to give a special thanks and a shout out to Joe at Mustang Magic, AJ, and LJ for taking care of the car as if it was their own. And of course, Jose putting that amazing magic tune on the car. The service over there is second to none. They were super careful with the car and really gave it that level of service that, you know, I appreciate as a car enthusiast. So if you're in the greater Long Island, New York area and you're looking for a place to go, I absolutely recommend Mustang Magic in Deer Park. So that's about it for this video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so you get all the latest content here on the channel. So I'm going to wrap this one up, and I will see you on the next one.